So as I said, it's slightly different from the other. It's got the little handle there, which you pull it out to take it out. And when you put it back in, it just locks in like that. So I can't get it out.
But this isn't working either.
I don't think so.
And Anna was using this one.
Sure.
Anna B.
So for the thread on this one, you've got this that goes out to the left to unlock it. You put the thread on and then move it over to the right, and it stops the thread from flying out. And it comes around this bit, which has been fixed with a nail, down this side, and then back up the other. And you've got this metal bit, which it comes in, and it goes in between that little loop there. This is tight as well. What's going on with them? Comes down. Through that bit. Oh yeah, this one hasn't got a needle. And then it would just thread through the needle, but the needle broke, we haven't got any more.
And how do I know what needle to get?
Ask Carla. I did ask her if there are any more. I can send her a message.